Alright, let's try this. Put your name in the comments, I guess. I'm happy making a part 2. Please, Matthew. I'm broke! Alright, let me do it again, but my last name. Man, this racist. Ow! Oh, ow! Let me try. I'm rich. No, give me 10. I'm gonna get LOL.